There is a temple that has in fact been vandalized, a Nandi idol in a Shiva temple that was reportedly vandalized in the Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh. Police sources have said that miscreants were possibly looking for hidden treasure. This as of course there were rumors that there was some gold that was poured into the Nandi. Now when they didn't find any gold, of course they left, but needless to say there is the temple, needless to say, has already been vandalized. The damage in a certain sense has been done. My colleague Uma Sudhir has been reporting on this story. She sent us this report.
There have been protests and there has been a campaign in Andhra Pradesh. In fact, ever since the fire took place in the Antarvedi temple in East Godavari district, where a 62-year-old chariot was in fact burnt. After that incident, in fact, there have been at least 19 incidents of so-called attacks on temples. And the latest incident is this attack on a Shiva temple in Chittor district, where the Nandi idol was in fact broken and was found lying in pieces by the police. This happened in the early hours of Sunday, and what the police suspect is that this was someone who was looking for a treasure, for some gold hidden inside the Nandi, and when they didn't find it, they abandoned the idols and went away. While on the one hand, the BJP and the TDP are pointing fingers at the government, saying that there is no protection to Hindu temples and that as many as 19 incidents have happened just since the 6th of September incident at Antarvedi in East Godavari. The DGP of Andhra Pradesh has explained that these are all stand-alone incidents that have happened, and they are motivated either by a treasure hunt, personal gain, or because of some kind of a superstition or other reasons. And he also says that in as many as 12 out of the 19 cases, the accused have been caught. One should look at this perhaps as also there is politics coming into it, with there is this campaign saying that because the chief minister belongs to the Christian community and therefore is not protecting those idols, but the DGP trying to say that they in fact have mapped out all the temples in Andhra Pradesh, or rather the places of worship in Andhra Pradesh, more than 47,000, and says that out of them only about 4% or 10% or about 4,000 had CCTV cameras, and they have identified that about 28,000 of them are temples. And just in the last 2 weeks, they have ensured that 886 CCTVs were installed, and they are saying lighting around these places of worship is also going to be increased so that these kind of incidents of vandalism or attacks do not happen.